Hello everyone. Today my topic is software architecture. First of all, what is architecture? Architecture is a fundamental organization of a system embodied in its components, the relationships to each other, and the environment, and the principles governing its design and evolution. Software architecture. The software architecture of a program or computing system is the structure of structures of the system which comprise software elements. The externally visible properties of those elements and the relationships among them. Mainly, architecture defines structure. Decomposition of system into software elements. Elements are captured as abstractions, correspond to high-level system modules or components. Component interfaces. External visible properties of elements describe element features exposed to others, typically represent services provided to other elements. Component responsibilities. What does a component precisely do? Relationships of elements. How do elements interact with others? Software architecture structures example. From main to split to lower to upper merge. From split to config to lower to upper and then studio. In this way, software architecture structure examples. Large software system requires structures from multiple perspectives or views. A single view is not sufficient to address all the requirements. Examples of views: context view focuses on the system's functionality. Deployment view reflects the physical deployment of software components to computing hardware. Crucial changes in software engineering have increased the importance of architecture, scale, distribution, security. A good software architecture considers for the system the functional requirements, the non-functional requirements, the entire system lifecycle. Help us understand the system, divide the system meaningfully, abstract complicated details, provides the framework for realization, project planning, project organization. Integrate all the development artifacts, provide documentation. Software architect. The ideal software architect should be a man of letters, a mathematician, familiar with historical studies, a disciplined student of philosophy, acquainted with music, not ignorant of medicine, learned in the responses of jury consults, familiar with astronomy and astronomical calculations. An architectural pattern is in a proven structural organization schema for software systems. Architectural patterns versus design patterns. Design patterns offer a common solution for a common problem in the form of classes working together, smaller in scale than architectural patterns, where the components are subsystems rather than classes. Design patterns do not influence the system structure of a system, only affect a single subsystem. They may help implementing an architectural pattern. Some, not all, architectural patterns are described hereafter. Pattern 1, layers pattern help structure applications that can be decomposed into groups of subtasks, each of which is at a particular level of abstraction. Each layer provides services to the next higher layer. Services in a layer are implemented using services from the next lower layer. Some requests are frequently done by using synchronous procedure calls. The most famous example of layered systems, networking protocols. Pattern 2, client server pattern. A server component provides services to a multiple client components. A client component requests services from the server component. Servers are permanently active, listening for clients. Client and server may reside in different machines. This pattern can be considered as a form of the layered pattern with two layers, the client being the higher level and the server being the lower level. Examples: remote database access, remote file system access. Web-based applications supports fault tolerance and parallel computation. The master component distributes the work among identical slave components and computes a final result from the results they return. Applied for instance in process control, embedded systems, large-scale Parallel computations, fault tolerant system. Uh, Pattern 4, pipe filter pattern, provides a structure for systems that produce a stream of data. Each process step is encapsulated in a filter component. Data is passed through pipes. Pipes can be used for buffering or for synchronization. This pattern divides the task of a system into several process steps. These steps are connected by the data flow. The output of the step is the input for the next step. Common examples: pipe filter is the Unix shell commands, cat file, etc. Compilers. Model View Control Panel or MVC pattern. An interactive application is divided into three parts. Model contains core functionality and data. View displays the information to the user. Controller handles the input from the user. Often uses the observer design pattern. User input can invoke a change in the model and in the displayed view. Makes it easy to have multiple views of the same model. Thank you.